Hello friends, I'm just going to give you a tour of the Bach Mobile since I just cleaned it up and it is looking really good. Did some touch-ups with the paint and got all of the dirt off of it. It looks really good and it's a beautiful early evening, as you can see here in the Ozarks. And I guess we would say this is mid-fall. And we still have some leaves up. But behind the Bach Mobile is this little base camp, I call it. We got a little pond, little stove chimenea in the back entrance. And I put that window in a few months ago to that door. Let's go out here. And there's the cabin in the background. Here's the back of the trailer. And we'll go inside and take a look around. Oops, sorry about the fingers showing up there. It is so quiet in here. Shut the door and show you how quiet it is. I'll try not to talk too much. So, the cork map of the United States was for my planned tour, which I had started during the pandemic, where I wanted to take this around, hook it up to my truck, and play all 48 preludes and fugues of Bach from the Well-Tempered Clavier in all 48 states. Well, that didn't pan out. We've had a few obstacles. One of the obstacles is not my medical condition. It is actually the cost of doing this. This is a very heavy trailer and it takes a lot of fuel to move it around. And it is just not economical, but here at the cabin, it makes a great little getaway cabin. As you can see, the view into the woods is absolutely beautiful. The light at this time of night is just fantastic. That's facing west-ish. I don't want to get the sun in there. And we've got this comfy single bed in here. We've got storage. And then this view from, let me go back here. Whoops, I almost tripped over that chair. So we got that bed there. We got a little fold-up table. Everything is insulated. When I clean this out and cut out all of the metal parts, I stripped down even the floor. There's a beautiful view out that window. And it is mostly, I wish you could smell it in here. It smells so good. It's mostly cedar and pine with a lot of cedar. And you can smell the cedar so well in here. Did some crazy solutions for the windows. But all of this is made from scraps of cedar from another construction project here in Eureka Springs. And for example, here we go. We've got a little window here. And if I opened up the outside window, we could see through there. I can also open up that little ringy-dingy thing and give it some ventilation. And I have screens on all of these, or both of these windows here, as well as the two oval-shaped cutout windows. If we go back outside, all you hear is the babbling pond and me babbling. Anyway, it is a beautiful night at the Bach Mobile. One thing that I did do this last week was I took these cedar framed window screens and painted them the same color as the Bach Mobile. And I also, these were more wooden panels that I made there that I painted the same color as the Bach Mobile. And I think I like it. It looked really more like a classic car when it had just the wood, but this is more protection for the wood and a little bit cleaner of a look. So here we have it. So proud of this project. I worked really hard on it. It took me almost 2 years to do it, the better part of 1.5 years. So there you have it. I hope you're having a beautiful day or evening wherever you are. Bye.